Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Wheeler County, eastern Gray County, southeastern Roberts County, southwestern Hemphill County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:52 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Kellerville, or 21 miles southeast of Pampa, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail.
Dang, golf ball.
Source, weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Mobile, Laura and Mobile. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Texas: Gray, Hemphill, Roberts, and